Hey everyone, Technomentor here with a quick fix video for you guys. Now if your iPhone stopped charging wirelessly after the iOS 18 update, you want to follow this tip to fix it. So let's get started. The first thing you want to do is remove the phone from your wireless charger. So the wireless charger here, remove it, and then you're going to completely turn it off. So in order to do that, there's a couple different ways to do it. You can use the volume up or the side button just like that to press and hold and then slide to power off, or you can pull down the control menu here. The new power option you can press and then you can slide to power off. So either way, it doesn't matter. Just want to completely power it off without having it on the charger. Now once you completely powered it off, what you're going to do is go ahead and lay it on the wireless keyboard here. So you're going to go ahead into the wireless pad, and then from there on, don't do anything, let it power back on. Don't try to turn it on yourself. It's going to pick up the charge and then automatically turn on the phone. That means it's going to be charging for you. And that's all you need to do. It seems like a bug fix going on for the wireless charger for some phones. So you want to follow these steps. And then if you have done this and it's not doing what it needs to, you want to follow this step, which is you're going to quickly press and release the volume up, quickly press and release the volume down, and then hold on to the side button until the screen goes completely black and the Apple logo appears. I'll do volume up, volume down, and then I hold on to the side button just like that. So let's go ahead and wait for it to completely shut down while I'm holding on to this side button. And once I see the Apple logo appear, I will let go of that side button. And this is known as a forced restart, which basically shuts down the phone software, reloads the code, which is important to do, especially after you do any sort of software update, just to make sure the phone is working the way it is and expect it to work. So I'm going to go ahead and turn it off, wait for this method, and then once it turns on, we're going to go ahead and just lay it on the wireless pad, and hopefully it should be working for you. If not, try the method one more time where you press and hold the volume up and the side button, slide to power off, wait for it to completely shut down, and then just lay it again on the wireless pad and wait for it to automatically turn on. And that should fix it for you. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider a like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices. We'll see you guys next time.